I just got these Meta Ray-Bans. These are the newest ones with the AI built in. And I just want to explain to y'all the convenience of having a camera like this versus having to pull your phone out every time or setting up a GoPro or something like that. I can have stuff in my hands and just tell it to start recording video and it will start recording video. This is like the easiest setup I've ever used, and I've had like pretty much every GoPro. This is way better. As soon as you say something to record the video, it's going to start, and most likely you're going to capture whatever it was a lot quicker than you can get your phone out. That's for sure. You can use these as a dash cam because they're always at the ready. Yeah, it's super convenient, and you can get these for pretty much the same price as any action camera right now, especially GoPro. The GoPros are like $3.99. These are only $2.99, and I would really pick these over the GoPro. Video quality isn't going to be as great. You're only going to be able to record vertical, and there's some other, minor inconveniences. It only records for 60 seconds at a time, but what I figured out is, each time it stops, you just start a new video, and then you can just edit them together, so it's not even that big of a deal. But yeah, I really like these. They're not only, quality Ray-Bans, and they don't feel like that obtrusive, like they're not like super heavy. They are a little thicker than the regular glasses, but since, the main form of content right now is either, some sort of short video, they only record for 1 minute, but like I said, you can just make multiple videos and patch them together. And the sound quality so far is great. Even, using these as headphones, even though there's nothing to like put in your ear or over your ear, they still sound pretty good. And the call quality has been amazing. I haven't had anybody saying they had trouble hearing me. The call quality on these works better than my AirPods. So yeah, just check them out.